Georgi now go to walking street filming. He have mobile phone. That's why I can call and find because I have locator in my bag. So Apple location. Also car key also have location. That's why I can find, but I don't know where. Maybe not. Just find Georgi. Where Georgi? Already Georgi will help to me. Georgi, stop. Georgi don't want stop. Have in my phone Apple AirTag and also in my wallet, and have location Magalang Road. That's why we're going to Magalang Road to find. Maybe we just only put, I don't know, back to true back, I don't know. Georgi with me, help me to go, because I don't have money, I don't have phone, because Georgi sent me message, I receive message in my watch, that's why I know where Georgi. Location where they go to Magalang. We already in his location. This is subdivision. Subdivision don't have security, so we go to subdivision with subdivision, so don't have security, so we may be leaving. I will check now. Go to Georgi, don't have here. No, don't have. No. Now police want to check CCTV. And we can find CCTV, so many people can watch here, can see. So this location. I walk here, so guys, next time who go here, take care. Way so faster drive in this road, so faster like this, so faster.
Ini boss, tang yung mismo malaban sa road din eh. Kamani ba talaga ng kaya rin?
Wala ba yung,
Pabalik na yun eh. Papunta na kakaya tayo ni PH.
yung dito, banda rito?
Ito sir, yung bawat sa likod niya. Ito yung gasoline station.
Yung Petron.
Magkaya niya, bali magkabila ang dalawang yan. Oh, ano?
Pinasasali niyan.
Siya nga, pati yung nakabakla.